Hi there, new to Euchers. Here you are at the play along for Iko Iko. 3 tempos. We're going to start out really nice and slow. Just in case you've never heard one of the more original versions of this song, I have links down below for the Dixie Cups. I also did a version of this with my husband in 2018 as part of the 100 Song Project. I've got a link down for that too. Before we get into this song, I should say something about the lyrics because they sound really violent. And I don't think they're as violent and bad as it might come across to the untrained ear. And this is part of Carnival, Mardi Gras, and there's lots of civic pride and a tremendous amount of energy that goes into music and costumes and dancing. And it's a huge production. And there's a lot of trash talking that goes along with it. And I hear in this song the kind of trash talking that I experienced when I studied steel drums in Trinidad and on St. Thomas. So that's what I'm thinking is going on in this song. I don't think it's as violent as it sounds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. My grandma and your grandma were sitting by the fire. My grandma says to your grandma, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about hey now, Iko, Iko ande, Giacomo fino a nane, Giacomo finane. Look at my king all dressed in red, Iko, Iko ande. I'll bet you $5 he'll kill you dead. Giacomo finane. Talking about hey now, Iko, Iko ande. Giacomo fino a nane, Giacomo finane. My flag boy and your flag boy were sitting by the fire. My flag boy told your flag boy, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about hey now, Iko, Iko ande. Giacomo fino a nane, Giacomo finane. See that guy all dressed in green, Iko, Iko ande. He's not a man, he's a loving machine, Giacomo finane. Talking about hey now, Iko, Iko ande. Giacomo fino a nane, Giacomo finane. Talking about hey now, Iko, Iko ande. Giacomo fino a nane, Giacomo finane. Giacomo fino a nane, Giacomo finane. Just a hair faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. My grandma and your grandma were sitting by the fire. My grandma says to your grandma, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about hey now, Iko, Iko ande. Giacomo fino a nane, Giacomo finane. Look at my king all dressed in red, Iko, Iko ande. I bet you $5 he'll kill you dead. Giacomo flag boy told your flag boy, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about hey now, hey now. Iko, Iko, Unde. Giacomo fino a nane. Giacomo fino a nane. See that guy all dressed in green. Iko, Iko, Unde. He's not a man, he's a loving machine. Giacomo Finane, talking about hey now, hey now. Iko, Iko, Unde. Giacomo Fino Anane, Giacomo Finane, talking about hey now, hey now. Iko, Iko, Unde. Giacomo Fino Anane, Giacomo Finane, Giacomo Fino Anane, Giacomo Finane. Okay, you'd be proud of yourself if you can perform it at this tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. My grandma and your grandma were sitting by the fire. My grandma says to your grandma, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about hey now, hey now. Iko, Iko, Unde. Giacomo Fino Anane, Giacomo Finane. Look at my king all dressed in red. Iko, Iko, Unde. I bet you $5 he'll kill you dead. Giacomo Finane, talking about hey now, hey now. Iko, Iko, Unde. Giacomo Fino Anane, Giacomo Finane. My flag boy and your flag boy are sitting by the fire. My flag boy says to your flag boy, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about hey now, hey now. Iko, Iko, Unde. Giacomo Fino Anane, Giacomo Finane. See that guy all dressed in green. Iko, Iko, Unde. He's not a man, he's a loving machine. Giacomo Finane, talking about hey now, hey now. Iko, Iko, Unde. Giacomo Fino Anane, Giacomo Finane, talking about hey now, hey now. Iko, Iko, Unde. Giacomo Fino Anane, Giacomo Finane. Giacomo Fino Anane, Giacomo Finane. Let me know how it's going down in the comments below. I hope that you found this video useful for your development as a ukulele player. Please hit like and subscribe, and if you have the time, leave me a comment. I am told that this will spin the math and computer search engines of YouTube so that it will make it easier for other aspiring uke players to find this video. In the meantime, enjoy your uke, and thank you so much.